Hi guys, my name is Tom. Today I'm going to show you how to solve one of the example tasks of the Oxford Computing Challenge using Python, the programming language. I found a question which you need to use Python, which is this example 2 here. It's called Entwined Sequences. Here's a sequence. It says 2, 1, 4, 3, 8, 5, 16, 7, 32, 9, 64. If you look at the sequence, by separating odd numbers and even numbers, it's clear for the odd numbers, it's power numbers of 2. And the even numbers, it's just a sequence of odd numbers. If you use mathematics formula, it will be like this. So the sequence of odd numbers is 2 to the power of n. The sequence of even number is 2n minus 1. And if you want the number up to the sum of the first 10,000 numbers, you have 5,000 each. 5,000 odd numbers and 5,000 even numbers. So that means the n will be 5,000 each. So then you write a program to add them up. So it's a very simple program in Python. The Python code will be like that. Starting sum equals 0, creating a loop. The range is from 1 to 5001 because in the Python language, you don't include the last number. So if you said 5000, it's going to be up to 4999. So you have to set until 5001. The sum equals previous sum plus 2 to the power of x plus 2x minus 1. And then if we run this, it's going to be like this. Here you go. Starting from 28249340647. Let's have a look at the answer. So the answer of this question is 282,493,4064. If I look at my answer, it's going to be 282,493,4064, 27885, blah blah blah. So it's actually the same. And the full answer is actually like this. It's a very, very long number. It's interesting, isn't it? and I give you an alternative answer if you learn the high school mathematics. It's gonna be like this. Actually, it's one line. If you learn how to solve the sequences mathematically, that's the answer you get. It's only just one line. And if you run this program, it's gonna be like this. Same answer. If anybody wants to know how to get the second answer, please leave the comment and I will give you how to get this formula. Thank you for watching video. Bye.